Leetcode problem 71 jewels and stones. You're given strings jewels representing the types of stones that are jewels, and stones representing the stones you have. Each character in stones is the type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are also jewels. Letters are case sensitive, so A is considered a different type of stone from A. So the idea here is to find if we have jewels inside of the stones as well. So output here is 3 is because A is found one time as lowercase and bigger A is found twice, meaning uppercase A. So if we sum it up, all of them, it will give us 3. So looks like we'll need some counter starting by 0, meaning that we'll use it to store all the jewels in the stones, and then we can create our for loop. Inside of for loop we will test it for the jewels first, lengths of it, and now we'll use a character. We can call it anything, let's call it X. That will store jewels I it will use to compare with stones. Whether they are the same. So meaning that jewels at 0 index will be A, lowercase a, and we'll compare lowercase a to each element of the stone. So this one till the end of it. So let's create our second for loop called J. J will iterate every time the length of the stones is bigger than J. J gets incremented, and if X is equal to the stones at the index J, then counter will get incremented, and at the end we're just gonna return the counter back to the main function. Incrementing we'll increment this based on jewels found in stones. Send the counter, let's see if it works. Yes, it does.